It's been a while since Xiaomi updated its flagship smartwatch, but with the launch of their new flagship phone, the fully smart flagship Xiaomi Watch 5 has arrived too, focusing on high-end quality and texture. Now that their phones have established a solid footing, can their watch successfully aim for the high-end market as well? Let's take a look. As a device worn on your wrist all day long, looks are the top priority for a smartwatch. Xiaomi has clearly put a lot of effort into the Watch 5 in this regard. We're reviewing the eSIM version with a gold-brown genuine leather strap, which follows a stylish business aesthetic. Let me share a few design details. The Xiaomi Watch 5 continues the large round dial and lug design of the previous 4 generations, but they've removed the time markings from the middle frame. This makes the overall look cleaner and more timeless. The case is forged from a single piece of 316L stainless steel. Most of the body features a brushed matte texture with high gloss finishes reserved for details like the crown, power button, and lugs. This design is practical, resisting scratches and fingerprints, while also offering a visually pleasing play of light. There's another reason for removing the bezel markings. The screen is bigger. The Xiaomi Watch 5 has a diameter of 47 millimeters, and the screen size has reached 1.54 inches with a screen-to-body ratio of 78.28%. If we switch to a light-colored watch face, you can see that the black bezels are visibly quite narrow. The screen has a peak brightness of 1500 nits, so watch faces of any style are displayed clearly and brightly outdoors. Paired with the floating screen design, the Xiaomi Watch 5 truly delivers a well-crafted sense of refinement. It's worth mentioning that the Xiaomi Watch 5 uses double-sided sapphire glass, meaning both the screen and the heart rate sensor cover on the bottom are made of synthetic sapphire. We used it pretty roughly for a week, and the screen surface remained pristine without any scratches. As mentioned earlier, the watch we have here is the eSIM version. The point of eSIM is allowing independent device usage, and this is exactly where the Xiaomi Watch 5 sees a major upgrade, becoming a mini phone on your wrist that works normally even without your smartphone. To achieve this goal, it requires solid specs in performance and battery. On the hardware side, the Xiaomi Watch 5 adopts a dual-chip solution. The high-performance Qualcomm W5 core handles smooth animations, the system, and apps, while the low-power Hengshuan 2800 BP core takes care of daily health data monitoring. At the same time, the Xiaomi Watch 5 uses a 930 mAh battery with 10% silicon content to ensure battery life. The official battery life is 6 days. Even after turning on power-hungry features like all-day blood oxygen, heart rate, and heart health monitoring, the watch still lasted 4.5 days before needing a charge. That is quite an impressive achievement rate. On the software side, the Xiaomi Watch 5 supports a dual-end app store accessible via the watch itself and the Xiaomi Sports Health app. You can independently install, update, and uninstall apps directly on the watch, with over 70 apps available for travel, fitness, payments, and entertainment. With eSIM capabilities, the Xiaomi Watch 5 has excellent standalone performance. Let's test a few common scenarios and apps. For communication, sending and receiving texts and calls is basic functionality. For entertainment, the NetEase Cloud Music app is quite comprehensive, featuring daily recommendations, playlists, and search functions. The Listen to Recognize feature is particularly useful. Just 2 taps on your wrist and you can quickly identify music you like. No matter what scenario, you can long press the crown to quickly summon Hyper AI via voice command on the watch. Whether it's opening an app or doing a quick translation, Hyper AI handles it capably. If the exterior design and standalone app experience are considered routine upgrades for Xiaomi watches, then the interaction design on the Xiaomi Watch 5 deserves a Leap in Progress award. To enable the watch to recognize up to 7 different gesture controls, Xiaomi packed in an EMG neural sensor, typically found in high-end medical equipment, into the Watch 5. This allows it to accurately detect minute electrical muscle signal changes in the hand's muscle groups. When there is an incoming call, you can pinch your fingers twice to answer or rub your fingers twice to hang up. Similarly, when the alarm goes off, snapping twice lets you snooze, while rubbing your fingers twice turns off the alarm so you can get up. The shake arm and flip wrist gestures support customization. For example, you can set a wrist flip to start recording a run or a quick arm shake. Once you get used to these operations, they are not only cool to show off, but also improve life efficiency. Let's summarize. With its solid build materials, excellent display effect, and reliable battery performance, the Xiaomi Watch 5 satisfies Mi fans' expectations for a flagship watch. Furthermore, the independent app ecosystem and the 7 subtle gesture controls extend the Watch 5's usability across various scenarios without needing a phone. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye, everyone.